So I'm sitting here at the river. See that shape up in the tree up there? I zoomed in as far as I can get it. Looks like a bird of prey. Looks like an owl kind of to me, but excuse me, I think it's a red-tailed hawk. I can see him turn his head every now and then. Seems like. But anyway, the rest of my view, whoops, looks a little bit like this. Hold on. So see where I am? I'm watching birds go by, and I'm waiting for the eagle comes by. 5:15, I think. In the meantime, I see this little booger, so I'm kind of keep my eye on him. I know it's a bird. Your thoughts?